All right, guys, welcome to the daily recap of Thursday, the 9th of March. Um, I'm eating it, by the way, so don't mind me, but let's dig into it. 1 second to send this to a friend real quick. Save. Bro, why is this? What the fuck? Oh no, fuck. Hold up. Shit. Why is this uploading to my story? I don't want that. Stupid Instagram. 1 second. Delete. All right. Let's dig into it. Delete. All right, let's go. So where are we? This is London Open. Mm, So weekly wise, we pumped down and we took out previous monthly, previous weekly lows. We did it on Tuesday, Asian session, as we know. Then today, Wednesday, we created this low, this like you wouldn't say like a turn. Well, this one might function as a turnaround candle, but it's a doji candle, indecisive candle, and it basically wicks through the previous weekly low, previous monthly low, and then wicks back up. Strong push to the downside here. So ideally, we want our price to continue down to take this liquidity. However, large liquidity pull to the downside taken might take the upside, right? Don't know yet. Might see. We have some equals there. That previous daily high that's been taken is only taken by 0.5 pips, so still valid. Now going down lower, what can we see? We still have our previous daily low here. Then we got our Asia low over here. That's still valid as well, if I'm correct. Yeah, and then we got like this low and this high in that former range for London. And I actually tried to trade counter trend because we took Asia highs. And I'm going to show you, right? But we took Asia highs and we took internal range liquidity over here. So I was like, all right, this might be the swing high for the Frankfurt slash London session. Didn't happen. So, and yeah, what can we see? This low has been taken. So like a liquidity grab. I got this bullish break, liquidity grab, and then another bullish break, and then we get the low to this high. If we go lower, you can see the range. And then we got bear structure. So let's actually go lower to see it better. We got this bear structure going on, liquidity grab, bullish break, so high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, or bullish break, bearish break, bullish break. So early buyers here taken out by breaking above this. Then we get a bullish break. And basically over here you get your bearish break. So this is your early buyers taken. Oh, you can see, damn, I found it. All right. So we are on our way up, but so on our way up, we create the early buyers. So that's something new. I don't use it like that. So that's why it didn't fit my drill. And then we initially have the low, the range from this low up to this high. Yeah. And we can see that we just reached discount. We take out those so-called early buyers. And then we break. We can look for long swingers because when I'm looking at this, someone caught a long here. So that's why I'm interested in like why didn't I see that? Hold on, let me eat some. It's quark. It's like Greek yogurt, but Greek yogurt has like I think 47, 74 calories per 100 grams, and quark in the Netherlands. It tastes the same. It has 52 calories, so that's 20 calories less. Gym rat stuff. But yeah. And with fruit and some lemonade, it tastes amazing. All right, so then we got the bullish break. So actually, this is a new range, already drew it on. And now there's some chia seed. Stuck between my teeth. Great. And then we get a long, like long fair value gap. So 4.5. Oh, that's a great trade. All right. So that's a good trade. Not fit my entry drill. Gotta be honest. Why? Because like on the way down, we don't have my entire entry drill presenting over here. Actually, no, saying that, we do get a bullish break. So early buyers, bearish break, continuation, entry. Actually, it is. Quiet is something. Yeah. Yeah, let's remove this one because this is counter trend. Don't need to look at that. It's tricky. London swing low after liquidity grab. What time did it was that formed? At 8:30? No. What is it? No, to the T. 8:31. Let me write it down. Where is it? FX Lab. There you go. No. London tracking. Today it's Thursday the 9th. And our first answer is, did we set the intention for today? Did we come lower after this? Nope. So yes, we set the intention for today. Then second question, why did we set the intention for today? So why did we set this low in this session, or not this session? Why did this is this London low the intention for the day? So the day being the continuation of London, dead zone, aka pre-market or pre-New York, and then New York. So yeah, why did we set the intention there? So initially we set the intention in Asia, intention meaning the direction for that day. And then let's go over why did we set the intention there. So we can see that we have this bullish break, high time frame liquidity taken, bullish break, internal range liquidity taken. Then another bullish break. Sorry, I forgot to mark that on. That's why I'm so confused. There you go. Another bullish break. Then we create bearish structure. We take some internal range liquidity over here. See these two? Liquidity. Set liquidity. Thank you. So liquidity. Those are taken. Then we react from this block over here. 5-minute block. Let's zoom in. Why? Because we want details. Yeah, so perfect. Perfect. Then in the low volume zone between New York closure and Asia open. I think this is the first time ever that I set Asia open. That's sick. All right, but this is clean. This is quality. So what can we see happen? We take out the internal range liquidity, we build up more in the form of these equals over here. And then we get a high, a low, a lower high. And now let's track that. A high, low. So actually this is our first time. Nope. don't know what it was. I think I started tracking it from here. We got a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We got a bullish break over here. Another bullish break, bearish break, bullish break. And why did I use this high as a valid structure point? Because we take out these highs, so we induce buyers over here. Then we get the real break to the downside, taking out those equals, tapping into the 1 minute order block. So liquidity taken over here, another inducement formed over here, and then another pool of liquidity taken here, tapping into the 1 minute PI. That 1 minute PI gets respected. If we go to the 5 minute, we can see that we just waked in. Oh, actually, we didn't. My God. So 1 hour, 50 minute, perfect. You can see those wicks here, and then you can see the wicks breaking through and the candles closing above. So that indicates that it's a potential liquidity grab. Then we get the bullish break over here. And this is then our new range from this low up to this high. And then we tap in here. And as soon as I saw like, okay, look how this candle closes here. We come below and we push up instantly. So this is why this long is valid from here. There's another long here, by the way, but that's why you can look maybe for the continuation trade, because liquidity internally is taken. There's more liquidity to be taken over here. But what did this low do? It just built up liquidity while this low actually broke like the structure, took this liquidity. So let me take another bite. Good shit. And then the liquidity being taken, followed by the impulse. We could say like, all right, this is our by this impulsive candle already, I think. Especially by this break. So the break is like, oh, this is why you want, this is where my short came from, by the way. Let me go on this chart because it's way cleaner here. I might move back to FXCM because it's just cleaner. There you go, early buyers as well. So you get your early buyers over here. And for me, this was clean as a short. Why? Because, okay, keep this in mind that we took out this candle. I can show you my short trade, by the way. Yeah, let me do that. Where's my journal? Yeah, there you have it. So this was indicated, all right, this is not good. This week, but might switch back to FXCM chart. All right, so what happened is we took out those highs, then we took out the lows. We were counting trend, but I was like, all right, it is a counter trend trade, but we took internal range liquidity. We took Asia highs. I was actually ignoring the fact that we had a bullish range, or I know we had a bullish range because that's why I said it's counter trend. It was the wrong direction to trade. That's one thing that's for sure. I shouldn't be looking for shorts here, even though if I can get like a quick scalp. But yeah, I tried it anyway. Not smart, not smart, not smart, not high probability. Even this long would have been better, but price never came there. But so we get our early sellers over here, taking out this low. Then we build up this trend line being taken. And then on the 1 minute, as you can see over here, high, low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, bearish break. And actually ignoring the fact that it's quite correctional. We get that wick break, closing above again. So that's not a strong break either. It's not a strong candle either. Just as push down, entry from there. Already immediately, like when we pushed away, I was like, okay, let's reduce. Then when we broke, we came back up. I didn't want to go break even because it was still valid in my opinion. Then it pushed down, luckily, because it had to take this internal range liquidity at least to continue up. It needed liquidity to continue up. And then these wicks already, this is what I marked on. As soon as I saw this wick, or this wick, I was like, bro, every break is a wick. Why is it not a strong candle? What is price set trying to tell me? Price set trying to tell me that it wants to turn around, wants to go bullish. So it was just engineering liquidity, and with those wicks, it was engineering buys into the market, and then the buys would have their stops around here, their stops taken out, and then we go bullish. Hold up. This shit is so good. So yeah, that was a trade I took, end up break even. Coming back to the short, to that swing, this is then our swing, and either this, you choose this one, but this is our, like, from where we trade, this is our intention of the day. We dived into the continuation trade. Now let's remove this. Oh. And then there's another continuation trade from here. You go below this candle over here. If we, that's a 3 minute, but if you go on 1 minute, you can see clearer. Yeah, below that, and this into this fair value gap, you want to trade. This is where your entry want to be. Where you want to have your entry. Boom. Stop loss below this low. 1 to 5 gets hit. This is outside of the trading time, so we don't care at all. But it's nice to see. And then you target the high of the session, of the overall range on the 5 minute. Beautiful. So nice order flow trades. One thing though with this short, let me mark out that break of structure. It's a 15 minute. Over here. What is this? Oh, anyway, I'm too lazy. So this is the break. Look at the 50 minute. That's a pretty strong closure below, right? This is a strong candle to the downside on the 50 minute, right? That was a reason for me, like, all right, this trade is valid. It's a good trade. So yeah, but in the end, didn't matter. Done. What do we have in New York? So we have this bullish structure now. This bullish structure. But then we break bullish overall. What was our lowest low? Let's dig into the dive into the 5 minute. Up. And then this is our low. So we can ignore this now. We can ignore our Asia high. We can ignore the internal liquidity. We can ignore this. We can keep on the swing. We can also keep on this low. We can take that from our charts. We can mark on that we took the previous daily highs. And we can also see that we have this new structure. And where do we want to long from? Let's go on the 15 minute and see what areas we have. So on this 15 minute, we see that the only unmitigated block is here. This is all mitigated. So either there's two options. Either we take out all this and go to the downside. Done. We have this 5 minute block that sits here. So I would look for longs from there, or we react instantly from this. Oh. or we react from this, and then we take into account this wick, and then we go long. Now, this long, this, I don't know if there's an entry, but like the overall move, looking from it, is very clean. We we invalidate the block, but by invalidating the block, we take out some internal range liquidity below that actually formed a new high. So that's good. That's good stuff. And then what happens? We get our early buyers over here, a high that leads to a low bullish break, and then we get some intricate early buyers over here. Then we get bears, and now I want to see FXCM again. If FXCM is cleaner again on this, I really need to change. All right, so no break here either. That's good. Because I want to change it. But the real long comes from here. So the high that leads to this low, you take this one. Oh, this bullish break or this bullish break. This is our block, and it has a large fair value gap. So let's check the 3-minute what it looks like. Maybe we get a better entry, slightly better entry, covers more area, so we take that for sure. And this is where long comes from. Top below the block, 4.8, 5.2. 1 to 5 gets hit. Yeah. Take some time though. 15, 18. Now there's a direct entry long over here. I create a new bullish range from this low up to this high. Now we want to zoom out first and see where we are, because we can't just assume that we continue higher. So now we took out this high, and we want to see what's above that high as well, not just at the high, what's above that high. So like a 5-minute POI, maybe. I think there's like a little time for POI. And there isn't. Everything's mitigated with these equals as well. Might even come above here. Even more interesting. Did we come above there? We don't know. Let's see a minute. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Today was job claims. Ah, that's why that push came from, right? 13:30. Let's see. It might take out that news low. No, it didn't. But this is the push from job claims. 30:30. Hmm. All right. So New York, we come above this high. Let's remove this. Let's remove this, because it will not aid us right now. Will just be in the way, not on the way. So that long is pretty clear. Then we create this new range. Y. And we also had this to target. So if it fits your entry drill, you can take an instant direct entry there. I don't know if there's confirmation based entry. There is, but not like clean. No early buyers. Comes below, taps into this one, leave this open. So react from a 2-minute fair value gap, even block maybe. Yeah, the block. And then on the 5-minute, probably wick through and come above. No, so on the 50-minute, we do see bullish closure, continuation up. What else is there? Are there any shorts? Potential shorts? Oh, I see this move down, but it was liquidity grab. Don't want a short there. No shorts today. There's a short here. No, not really. This is clean, but not too short. Stuff's above here. Maybe, but why would you want to short there? There's no reason to short there. Neither is it here. Well, here it is. Here you can look for short. Let's see. No early sellers. No, there's nothing there. Where do we react from? And first we react from the PY itself. PY that took out this high, but doesn't disrupt anything. So basically just respects this order flow. Never reached discount on that. Even real bullish on that now. We have this new range, so we can take off this one. Now we have this new range. This low up to this high. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow if it stays like this. This will probably be our previous daily high. I think it is because we already in a new day. Yeah, we already formed a new candle. Yeah, that's basically it, man. I don't know what to cover. What else to cover? We spoke about price behavior. Where's my note? So we talk about the high time frame structures and ranges, right? You know where we are on the high time frame. Let's do it again. We took out liquidity. We're now in a deep discount of this bullish range, which is most likely to be taken out, especially with the dollar news and everything. We might expect NFP to push price further down. We have this key level over here. Don't know if I should expect anything from it, but then we have this you're still in this bullish range from this low up to this high for now. Can we go lower than this? Yeah, taking out this, then this will be our first break. It will be a fake out, taking out all buyers below this. Their stops, like high swing buyers, they're taken out, and then we can get a proper break, like probably here. To then continue up. So the move down would be December, November, December, somewhere. End up there, maybe. I don't know. And then 2024 we can move up. It's weekly. We know that we reached a discount on the week, a premium on the weekly. If we break below here, we have a much smaller range. We have the weekly and the daily realigning. That's sick if that happens. I actually would love to see that. Then we have some more structures. Let's zoom out. Let's go to the 4-hour. So we have this bear structure from this high down to this low. So if we break below here, we got the light blue and the dark blue realigning. Um, then we have this red structure still, and that's our most recent structure. And we would look to short for now from above this 50% premium pricing, but that's gonna happen, or probably gonna happen, but look at how correctional this is. So either NFP is gonna push up super strongly, super strong, and then I don't know, or it's gonna instantly melt and we'll just leave this if we don't come there, or we just wake up and melt down. So we got some lows to the downside. And then we said I have the week. They're in London on Tuesday. And then I said like Wednesday we can form the low of the week, but with NFP on Friday, I'm not sure. Tomorrow. What else is there? So there's a structure. We talked about liquidity on the high time as well. Buyers based on liquidity. So I don't form a bias. That's not true. Of course, I have a bias. You need to know where you want to trade. Now, actually looking at this, look at all this liquidity to the downside. Look at that. So that's interesting. That might be taken out. NFP will tell us. NFP will tell us. High time frame candles and wicks, what are they telling us? So as I said, correctional. It's all correctional. Broken above, then pushed even as fast down below. Might be the liquidity gap we needed, might come higher. Look at all these wicks. Look at all these wicks on the high time frame, especially here and here. Not very interesting, maybe. All bullish candles, but all weak ass candles. Fake ranges, don't know yet. This might be a fake range. Strong push to down, so come even deeper and then continue down. Then if we do so, we reach probably premium. Oh no, then we need to go fairly deep. We'll see. Well, time frame trades. We discussed both trades, both ways. I discussed why I had the short. I discussed why there were longs. I discussed the longs from here. Discussed the longs from here. Discussed the longs from here. Discussed or looked at shorts here, but not fell it. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's a recap of today. What can we expect tomorrow? I don't know if there's trade. Oh, we can maybe look for trade from below here and mark it. Just mark it out. But and then what is this? There you go. So might take out that liquidity. That's pretty keen to do that. Following order flow as well. If it does that, like breaking that and then continue up. This is so good. I'm just a foodaholic, if that's a word. I eat everything. All right, so that's possible. Let's clean up the charts. Let's go on a daily. Let's make a little prep for tomorrow. I'm gonna clean it up later in a sec. That's been taken. Nice. Now also, we took this side of the candle, of this incisive candle. So we now might take out this side. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Good that I mentioned that. Now I'm sure that if it happens tomorrow, I'll like be like, see, told you so. Previous daily high, previous daily low. Oh, that's the wrong one. We can see that. As you see in my analysis and in my recaps, I cover like both sides. I always speak about this might happen, this might happen. I never say like this is going to happen. I do say like I'm quite sure this might happen, but it's always like might, because the market can do whatever, even if it's algorithmic, as in a way like, all right, it took this, now it's gonna go that way. If you go from 50-minute, there's probably an entry there. There isn't, then there is no entry. Previous daily high not taken. Previous daily high taken here. 50-minute for value gap. Swing low. No entry. Hold up, I'm quickly going over my high time frame strategy. Over here, same story. All right. 3-pin pattern wise, there's this long one. Oh no, there's not. 1, 2, 3. From here, it's taken out. 1, 2, nope. 3-pin pattern here. That's a bit unfortunate. Good. Okay. 3-pin pattern here. Stops above the high. So yeah, but this is Asia anyway, so we don't treat 3-pin pattern there. 3-pin pattern was here. Yeah. All right. This was daily recap. Peace out. I'm done. I set my alarm at 3 a.m. because crypto is acting up and I want to check it. Peace out.